Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss what the thing which I have given in the previous video. One question paper pattern I have given, how to solve that paper. So that you have to understand that what way we are writing the formula of the compound. Okay. So according to the syllabus, these are the anion and these are the cation. So first one in practice, you write these are the anion and these are the cation. Mostly these are the cation, it is there. Yes, other cation which have variable valency, that one is also there. That I will give you another topic or another video, that another this kind of flow chart which I have given one another question paper. Second question, this is the first question or first chart, you can say. So what we will write, see here, the cation which I have taken: potassium, sodium, magnesium, calcium, aluminium and ammonium. So these are the valency, because 20 elements valency trick. That way you will remember this: potassium plus 1, magnesium plus 2, sodium plus 1, aluminium plus 3 and ammonium plus 1. So first to remember that and try to recollect, try to ask yourself. Okay, you ask yourself: potassium K plus, sodium Na plus, aluminium Al3 plus. So like that you will, time to time you will ask yourself. And these are the anion. Anion which are there: sulfate Ate when it is more number, 3 when it is less number, so ite, this is sulfite. Then nitrate, nitrite. Then bicarbonate or hydrogen carbonate, you can say hydrogen sulfate or bisulfate, sulfite, sorry, SO3ite, SO4ate, so hydrogen sulfate. Then phosphate and carbonate. So how we write? See, K plus valency has to be interchange. So this is plus 1 and this is plus 2. When you write interchange, so K, this valency K2 and SO4 1 you don't have to write. But it is more than 1, that time you have to in bracket. For example, here plus 1, sodium plus 1 and sulfate you are writing. So what you will write? Na, 1 is there interchange, so Na 2 SO4. So like this you have to do. You have to cross. Okay. Then sulfate and magnesium. These two are, magnesium is cation, so that will be written first. So magnesium Mg. Now here also 2, here also 2. So 2 will be cancelled. So magnesium sulfate. Then calcium. Calcium also 2. Sulfate also 2. So it will be cancelled. So it is CaSO4. You can write the name also down. So here it is potassium sulfate. You can write that also. Potassium sulfate. So along with the formula, name also you are learning. So keep on writing that. Then aluminium and sulfate. Now see here, it is 2, it is 3. So interchange you have to do. So what it will be? Aluminium 2, because sulfate valence is 2, so it will come with aluminium, and sulfate. Along with sulfate, aluminium valence will come. So in bracket you have to give 3. Bracket 3. When it is more than 1, you write it in bracket. Then ammonium sulfate. Ammonium what? Ammonium is plus 1, sulfate is minus 2. So with ammonium, NH4 first to write, this is ammonium. Then valency, sulfate valency, and SO4 1 valency, so that you don't have to write in bracket. Okay. Okay, so this way you have to write for second one, potassium. Now it is sulfite. So K2SO3, SO3 ऐसे लिखोगे तो कितने सारे तुम लिख सकते हो, बहुत फॉर्मूला आप प्रैक्टिस कर सकते हो. पोटेशियम, नाउ इट इज सल्फाइट, ITE. Okay, now sodium. Sodium means Na, valence will come sulfite, Na2SO3, valence is 1. If you want to write, you can write, but it is no meaning. Okay, sodium sulfite. Sulfite. Then magnesium 2, this sulfide also 2, so it will be cancelled out. So MgSO3. Magnesium sulfite. Okay, then calcium 2, SO3 2. So 2 cancel. So CaSO3. Calcium sulfite. All are sulfide. Then aluminium. Aluminium Al. Now sulfide valence is 2, so I have to write here 2. SO3. Aluminium valence is 3, so SO3 bracket 3. Understood? So this way you have to write aluminium sulfide. Same way ammonium valency, sulfide valency, and then SO3. Understood? So like this, now it is nitrate. For nitrate, potassium 1, nitrate 1. So 1 will be cancelled. NO3. Nitrite, NO2. Then bicarbonate 1. See which are 1 that will be cancelled. So write KHCO3. KHSO3. Hydrogen sulfide or bisulfide. Potassium bisulfide or potassium hydrogen sulfide. Then SO4. KHSO4. Okay. Then next, phosphate. Phosphate valency is 3. Potassium valency is 1. Interchange you have to do. So potassium K3PO4. There will be bracket 1 no need to write. Then carbonate is -2. So potassium के साथ कार्बोनेट का वैलेंसी, so K2CO3. So now you can write, I have no place, so you can write when you practice. At the bottom you write the name also. Okay, then both formula and name of the compound you'll be learning together. Then sodium valency is 1 will be cancel. So NaNO3, NaNO2. Then hydrogen carbonate, so NaHCO3. Then hydrogen sulfide, Na8SO3. Hydrogen sulfate, NaHSO4. Okay, now interchange because it is now variable. So 3, so Na वैलेंसी इंटरचेंज के बाद 3 यहाँ पर लिखना है एंड PO4. Then carbonate Na2CO3. So I hope you have understood how to write. You just interchange with the column, with the column anion is there. See, all anion you are interchanging with cation interchanging with anion. So like this you are writing. Like this you are writing. Next is magnesium. So it is 2. So Mg. Now nitrate is 1. Okay. And magnesium is 2. So magnesium will get nitrate valency. So 1 no need to write. But NO3 you have to write in bracket. Then NO3. Now NO2. Mg NO2. Understood how to write? Then bicarbonate it is 1 and this one is 2. So with Mg1, Mg this one, so Mg1 no need to write, but HCO3 bracket you have to write, because after that Mg ka valency will write. Then MgH SO3 bracket 2, MgH SO4 bracket 2. Then phosphate. Phosphate is 2 and Mg is 3. So what it will be? Mg will get phosphate valency, so Mg3, and phosphate will get magnesium valency, so 2. Phosphate. First you write that anion and then after bracket the valency. Then sodium, carbonate. Mg also 2, carbonate also 2, so both are cancelled. So this way you have to write the for calcium also. Now calcium valency 2. So same way magnesium, what way you have written? Calcium NO3 whole 2. Calcium NO2 bracket close 2. Then magnesium 2, calcium 2 and bicarbonate 1. So calcium will not get, you don't have to write here anything because it is 1. So no need to write, but HCO3 bracket 2 you have to write. Then sulfate HSO3 bracket 2. Hydrogen sulfate HSO4 bracket 2. Then calcium will get phosphate valency, that is Ca3, and PO4 will get calcium valency, so it is PO4 bracket 2. And carbonate, both are having same valency, so it is cancelled, so CaCO3. So this way you have to complete the whole chart. Next one is aluminium. Aluminium valency is 3 and nitrate valency is 1. So aluminium will get nitrate valency. Aluminium 1 NO3 bracket close whole 3. Because aluminium valency is 3, nitrate valency is 1. If you are having any confusion, you can write 1, no problem. Okay. Then aluminium nitrite ITE, so NO2. So aluminium NO2 bracket 3. Then aluminium is 3, bicarbonate is 2. So aluminium 2 you have to write bicarbonate valency and HCO3 whole 3, because aluminium valency is 3. Then same way Al2HSO3 bisulfite. Then bisulfate HSO4 Then phosphate, both are valency 3, so 3 will be cancelled, 3 will be cancelled, so it is AlPO4. And carbonate is 2, so aluminium will get 2, and carbonate will write in bracket, after bracket aluminium valency 3. Okay, at the last column, that is ammonium. Ammonium 1 valency, so ammonium will get nitrate valency, so nitrate also 1, so both will be cancelled, so NH4 NO3, NH4 NO2, which are same valency, no need to write because that will be cancelled. Then NH4 and HCO3. Now HCO3 carbonate valency is 2, so you have to write ammonium in the bracket, then 2 HCO3. Similarly, this also ammonium bracket will be 2 and HSO3. HSO3. Then sulfate, hydrogen sulfate, NH4 bracket 2 HSO4. Then ammonium valency is 1 but phosphate valency is 3. So ammonium bracket will be 3 because phosphate valency is 3. And phosphate will be bracket 1, no need to write. So this way you can complete the whole chart. I have given you the answer also. And the last one, the place is not there. This will be ammonium carbonate, means ammonium bracket 2 and CO3. Okay, so I will write, but it will be visible or not, I don't know, but you should understand. Ammonium carbonate valency will 2 and CO3 bracket 1, but 1 no need to write. If you wish to write, you can. Okay, so what is your duty? You have to practice in this way. That's why I am giving the answer also. In the video, the question pattern is given, and this way you will practice. See, so many compound name you have written. If you practice in this way, write it with pencil. So once you will write, erase it, and again you practice next day. So this way if you practice, I feel or I hope that your concept will be more clear, and in exam time, whenever this will be final exam, whenever the exam is there, you will not face any kind of problem. Okay, so another chart also in the question paper it is there. So this way you try. The next video I will give that answer also, that answer of that chart also I will provide you. But you try first, because why I am giving you, so that you can, if you, it will come from your practice or from your effort, you will remember more clearly. So for this video, this much only. Thank you. If you like, share with your friends and give your comments. Okay, thank you.